Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. My name is Yadira. Today I have my 2021 Christmas gift from my husband and also what I got myself, hence why we are in front of my beautiful Christmas tree. So towards the end I'll give you a little bit of a tour to show you what it is that's all in my Christmas tree. I have some fun cute little traditional Christmas objects, not just ornaments, so I'll show you that towards the end. I hope that you'll decide to subscribe by the end of the video and give me your rating as well as interact with me in the comments. So let's get going with what I got myself. And this is not sponsored by any way, but I have been seeing this brand a lot on social media and you probably have as well. I've also seen some commercials just recently. So what I'm talking about is some luxury bedding. Bedding is one of those things that obviously we all need and we don't always take the time, or do we allocate the funds towards that? You know, I am guilty of that. Usually I stick to like $60, $70, $80 sheets. But this one I wanted to splurge because they have a line that supposedly it's like hotel bedding, and if you've ever been to a hotel when you go on vacations or just visiting, you know that their bedding is really nice, very comfortable, very luxurious, and I wanted that same feel at home. So the brand that I got myself something from is Boll Branch. So here it is. It's very luxurious packaging. Obviously it comes in a cardboard brown box like for shipping, but I did take that out, and once I saw this I'm like, look, I am just gonna show this because this is just as luxurious as a Louis Vuitton handbag on its own in my opinion. So I'm gonna show you what it is that I got. And whenever I placed this order, they did have, once you made any purchase, I don't think they had a limit, you got a free item. So we're gonna check that out. Okay, so it's literally wrapped like a gift. So let me take off the little shipping slip, and I got the signature hem pillowcase set in white. That was my free item. And then I got the Percale hem sheet set in a pale pewter color for my bedroom. So this is what I got for free. Very nice. Comes with a little ribbon and a care card. This is a set of 2 pillowcases. They are both king size. That is what I got for free. And in the back, the care card does have a nice message. It says, learn what a good night's sleep can do for the world. Made ethically in Pakistan. That's interesting because I don't really see something like that on sheets. They just say made in, and that's it. Moving on to what I am most excited about is the bed sheets, and beautifully wrapped. This is the Percale. In the size king, this is a Percale hem sheet set like I mentioned, and it comes with 2 king pillowcases, 1 fitted and 1 flat sheet. And I'm gonna show you the color. I kind of don't want to take it out of this packaging. Like, I don't know what it is about items that come beautifully gift wrapped. It's just like, I just want to stare at it forever and ever. Alright, that's cool. The actual container that it comes in, I'm going to flip it over because it does have their brand on the front. It's a drawstring bag, so you can keep this and store them whenever you're not using them, or separate them from your other brand. So that is nice. And you can also use this bag like for laundry whenever you go traveling. So amazing. Okay, I'm glad that it comes in this kind of packaging because all the other ones that come in like the clear plastic container-ish, zipper pouch, whatever it is, I tend to want to keep it, but then it gets bulky and then dirty, and at least I can wash this one, right? Okay, let's take this out. And this is the color. I was wondering about the color myself. It's a little bit of a dusty gray. I'm gonna put it next to the white. Any product information that you might be wondering about Boll Branch, I will have down in the description bar. Again, not sponsored. And as you might be able to tell, my walls are actually a light gray color. The color of the paint is called Whiskers by PPG, but it's very similar to this, and you probably won't be able to tell that's a curtain and, you know, the Christmas tree's changing that shade, but it's almost similar to this. So I love that. And then you're probably not any more excited about bedding the way I am, so I'm not gonna go through all the pillowcases that comes with this set and all that good stuff. I am gonna put this aside and then we're gonna get going with the Louis Vuitton unboxing, which I'm sure you're here for. So thank you for bearing with my luxury gift, and we're gonna move on there. Okay, so now the moment you're probably waiting for, my Louis Vuitton unboxing of my 2021 gift from my husband to me. So let's get going. Actually, there's that. Obviously, the Louis Vuitton box, right? This was an online purchase from louisvuitton.com. And, oh, nice. Okay. So, right, so we have the receipt and just a care card, your online receipt, your returns and exchanges, information in here. So I actually already know what it is because my husband's one of those that's like, do you like this one or do you like that one? I would rather him be like, I'm gonna get this and let it be a surprise. But we are gonna go through it together just to make sure that there's no defects or anything like that. So let me put that off to the side there. Okay, so this is the box and it comes with their holiday ribbon. And I think this is a card with Louis Vuitton's face on there. I think they were celebrating like the 100th birthday or something, or what would have been the 100th year, but I think that's what that is. Okay, so before I open it, because I'm starting to get very, very thrilled, let me know what you think is in here. Okay, it's nothing from my wish list, but it is something that I already have, just in a different material, and I really, really like. So let's see. I'm hoping there's no defects of any kind. Right. And of course, empty box. Let me close this and put that onto the side here. Alright. Guys. What was that? Girl, you're too excited. Wow. So this is the Neverfull in the size, colored noir in the Empreinte leather, and the interior, oh my gosh, it's so luxe, like I cannot tell you. All right, this bag was released this year, I think this in 2021 is whenever they released the Empreinte in the Neverfull. It does come in 2 different shades. I think it's like a sand or a dune. I'll put pictures of the other 2 options, which are equally gorgeous. But we got the black one. I actually wanted a black bag and I was thinking of venturing into Chanel, and I still might. This is perfect. You know, it's a classic tote. I already have 2 of them. I know they work. I know they're fantastic. The Neverfull, yes, a lot of people have it, but it's for a good reason. And this one, like I said, it does come in 2 different shades that are equally gorgeous and stunning, but my husband thought the black one was way better just because I do wear a lot of dark tones in general in my day-to-day, and also because I don't have black. Most of my Louis Vuitton is a shade of brown, the monogram or the Damier Ebene, and I do have one that's azure, which is white with a little blue and grayish checker, but still most of my handbag collection is that brown tone, right? So this will be perfect. I'm gonna go through the bag to make sure there's no defects or anything that would tell me to go get it checked out. Okay, so everything seems fine on the exterior. We'll check in the inside just in a little bit. One of the things that I'm already loving about this Neverfull in the Empreinte leather is how, you know, not stiff my handles are. In the Damier Ebene, you know, the most popular and most favorite to a lot of people, the handles are much stiffer and they can leave you marks and be a little bit weighty within time, but these seem more lightweight, kind of just like your natural vachetta. So if you do have a natural vachetta Neverfull, this is kind of what, you know, it feels like. So I'm excited about that. Let me look through the glazing. Alright. Okay, so in the front and onto the side and in the back, you have the giant monogram or the LV stamped or embossed into the leather. At the bottom, it is a little bit different. So you do have actually your standard size Louis Vuitton. It kind of looks like it would be micro just because this is the giant, but it's so gorgeous. And look at that. I saw that they brought Speedy in the a giant monogram, just like this one, and I'm hoping that they're gonna bring them out with the regular, just the way they had a few years ago. I think they discontinued them in 2017 or 2018, around there, but I hope they bring some out because I believe I will be adding one to my collection if they do. To the touch, is very smooth. It's very different than the canvas. Obviously, it's more softer than the other one. It's still very durable, so I'm not gonna say it's delicate just because it's leather versus canvas. I have like a little speck of glitter or something there. Anyways, mine has the gold hardware, so you see that there. In the little tassel here too, and in the inside. So here we go. Look at that inside. Isn't it gorgeous? It is like a deep navy color. Okay. And while I'm holding the pocket like this, it kind of reminds me of, you know, just going to the craft store and getting like a piece of felt fabric. Like the thickness of it, that's what it reminds me of. Obviously this is much smoother, not as scratchy as felt is. You might not be able to tell, but I do see like a little bit of specks of dirt, I guess, from like packaging or handling it in the warehouse. I guess that's the only downside about having a microfiber interior on a Neverfull versus the regular textile that comes in your other canvases, because the Neverfull is a bag where you just throw everything and kind of go. So just food for thought there. Okay, the pull is, gosh, this is so luxurious, I cannot tell you. And I don't know if it's because it's Empreinte or they're just gonna start changing the zippers, but this zipper, gosh, is everything. It's heavy, it's hefty, it's what Louis Vuitton should be having in their zippers, right? And then the inside, I just have like the care card, and like a little code if you wanna know more about the information. And then, like I said, this is a Neverfull Empreinte, and the Noir, that is the number right there. Okay, so I'm going to stick that back in there. And of course it does come with a pouch because it is a Neverfull. And wow, there's something about this zipper. First of all, a little bit of scratches. That should be fine. Ooh, look at how smooth that is. The zipper on the pocket is as smooth as well. This one. Okay, so I have another Neverfull pouch and it has a pocket. This one does not have a pocket, but it does have that interior, that same navy, dark blue interior. So yeah, and it does have it. Wow, it has a day code. I mean, not that I can see in there, but so where this little hook is at, there's a little day code like on this section on the inside, which I'm stunned. I would think that they would have a microchip. So in the pocket, oh, let me stick this back in there. So in the pocket, because it is deep, it kind of gives you an illusion that the pocket also goes up, but it doesn't. Like it caps right here at the zipper. But it is very deep and it's very generous. I want to say it's even a little bit bigger than the regular Neverfulls, but I'll have to check that out to double confirm. Looking at it like head on, it looks just about the same, you know, width, but for some reason I just feel like this pocket has a bigger capacity. I don't know, maybe because it's, you know, it's that suede or leather, it's more flexible compared to like textile. I'll have to pull the two aside and compare them, but let me finish showing you through the bag. So here's a little clasp with a little LV initial right there, if I can show you, gosh, right there. It does have the Louis Vuitton Paris stamp there, and then that's it. right? Just a standard Neverfull, no additional cell phone pockets or slips of any kind. So I typically don't use bag organizers with my handbags, but because this interior seems just a little bit more delicate, I'm gonna have to order one and make sure that, you know, the inside continues to stay pretty. I'm pretty sure it is long lasting. I do already have a handbag with the microfiber interior. It's the Trevi PM. I have a video on it if you want to know more information on that. I'll link that down below. But it does also have the microfiber interior in the red tone, and I just throw my stuff in there. I actually don't even have an organizer for that bag, and it seems to be just as fine, so I'm pretty sure this will be fine as well. But you know, it's new and you just have that, well, at least me, I have that mindset of wanting to keep it new forever and ever. So I might look into a bag organizer, and if you have any of your favorites, let me know down below what those are so I can check them out. And so now I'm going to show you some quick modeling shots before moving on to my Christmas tree and then wrapping up the video. Sorry, I came back. I do have the receipt, and just in case you're wondering, current price right now as of December 2021, it is $2,360. That is a US price, and obviously just factor in the tax rate that is applicable to you. So I'm going to quickly show you this side right here on my mantle. I have a Christmas tree, Santa, a lovely sign with a little elf on a shelf right there, a Santa stop here sign, another Christmas tree, and the garland with the red and white ribbon. I'm gonna put a mirror here. I actually got it in last night from Ballard Designs, so I just gotta wait for my husband to help me put it up there because it's really heavy. But anyways, this is what I have in my mantle. So alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Again, thank you so much for watching and spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of the Boll Branch luxury gift to myself and my gift from my husband to me, as well as my Christmas tree. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.